heard that you got married. I heard you ruined your life. I closed the book on us for the final time. Keeping quiet in your parents' house, we grew up as one. A virgin angel in the naked night, biting her tongue. Evelyn returned to a moment lost in time. Remember when you loved me and when you changed your mind. I have children of my own now. They live in their mother's house. Still play guitar at the weekends. I hung in with the same old crowd. I lived on money that my father left, though I couldn't do him proud, making all the same mistakes again that broke our house. We knew his reputation, but we kept it to ourselves. A secret that should die with him haunted us instead. I could say I'm sorry, but words won't do much now. The more you got to know me, the more I let you down. Strip me of my virtue and leave me out to rust. The more that I outgrew you, the more I lost your trust. Evelyn, I'm home now, and I'll see out the year. Prepare my bed of bones again and gather up my tears. The day we met to write the will, I was pacing round the kitchen, still foggy from the sleeping pills, but clear enough to know I'm living. I was hoping for the hand of God to sweep the floors clear and empty. You bought that little car to race around, but now it seems your race is ending. We've learned so much about ourselves. How you used to make me get so angry. I want to stand with you inside a hurricane and scream until our lungs are empty. I want to be by your side when death comes and I can see your pain subside. I've seen the world through your eyes. Wrap me, shelter me beneath your love, where Jesus turned his back on both of us. You touch my hand, your trembling skin. You seem to know my mind was racing. Now I'm sick to death of feeling this way, haunted by the fear of living. Today we met to write the will. I was pacing round the kitchen. Now I barely recognize myself.